Opo.
Agree.
Wala tayong narinig from CHR regarding that. Hindi nila binigyan ng pansin ang tunay na biktima ng tinang incident.
Agree.
Pag yun talaga ang ginawa nila, the victims of the tinang incident, yung mga nasiraan ng pananim, they can file a complaint against CHR. CHR, I repeat, are also government employees.
Correct.
And they are not immune from complaints from the real victims in this incident.
Tama.
So, another recommendation to LCC3, if CHR will not lift a finger to help the real victims in the Tinang incident, the victims can file a case against CHR officials themselves.
Ngayon pa lang,
It's about,
Prosecutor Chris.
it's about time. It's about time.
The truth.
Oh.
Even the statements of Lenny Robredo, the statements of Kiko Pangilinan,
Tuhog na
they're just
tuhog.
really tuhog na tuhog talaga ang propaganda ng komunistang teroristang
Exploit the law dahil na ilalantad natin ang taktika na ito na tinatawag nating revolutionary dual tactics, and we have prosecutors of the government like Prosecutor Chris, and we have the legal cooperation cluster. Ma'am, do you intend also to facilitate itong binabanggit na posibleng case conference with case at bar, itong Hacienda Tinang, para magkaroon na ma'am ng paulit-ulit na tanong ng ating mga kababayan, ma'am.
Yeah.
Anong gagawin ng gobyerno dyan kay Eric Yusek Lorraine, laban kasamang bayan, dyan sa mga identified instigators, agitators, provocateurs, organizers, and mobilizers na nagpapahamak sa ating mga kabataan at ating mga mamamayan?
Yeah, of course, the NTF-ELCAC exists just for that. Exactly, wawasakin mo itong CPP, NPA, NDF na yan, and part of it is really to be relentless, to go for it, right? So, definitely, hindi natin ito pipigilan, di ba? So, yung CHR na yan, I really want to know, they're always coming from a place where, like the Prosec was saying, they're coming from a place where ang state ay ang oppressor.
Yes.
But in reality, the government, the National Task Force ELCAC is the mechanism. It's the holder of our human rights. We're the defender and the protector of our people's human rights.
Correct.
That's the National Task Force ELCAC and our entire government. So for you to be coming from the presumption that the state is the oppressor, you're coming from the same presumption as the CPP, NPA, NDF, and all this bungot sila bungot sa Kongreso.
Precisely.
Diba? While they're in government, ito sila Tonchi Tinio, Arlene Brosas, Raul Manuel, lahat ng mga yan, they're always coming from that presumption na ang gobyerno ang taga-oppress. Habang nagsisweldo sila sa gobyerno, di ba, walang modo.
Kahit nasa loob sila ng gobyerno.
Yeah, kasi mga urban operatives ng CPP, NPA, NDF yan. So, I'm saying that talagang maraming nagluluto dito. Now that NTF ELCAC is here, it's not like that anymore.
Yes.
Pero gusto natin pakita sa mga kababayan natin kung dito yung paano tayo sinira, Talagang ang daming players dito. Andyan syempre Karapatan, yung UMA, yung KMP, Bayan, tapos magsasalita pa itong sila Lenny Robredo, si Kiko Pangilinan, tapos ang media, is also infiltrated by the CPP, NPA, NDF, because the CPP, NPA, NDF, yung pinakamalakas nila na weapon ay ang propaganda machine nila, So, yan, talagang lutong-luto tayo, tapos meron pa tayong CHR na ganyan, di ba?
Agree.
So, we're no longer taking it because we're pushing back. No more. Enough. We're going to end it.
Yeah.
Opo.
Agree.
Wala tayong narinig from CHR regarding that. Hindi nila binigyan ng pansin ang tunay na biktima ng tinang incident.
Agree.
Pag yun talaga ang ginawa nila, the victims of the Tinang incident, yung mga nasiraan ng pananim, they can file a complaint against CHR. CHR, I repeat, are also government employees,
Correct.
and they are not immune from complaints from the real victims in this incident.
Tama.
So, another recommendation to LCC3, if CHR will not lift a finger to help the real victims in the Tinang incident, the victims can file a case
Yes.
against CHR officials themselves.
Ngayon pa lang,
It's about,
Prosecutor Chris.
it's about time. It's about time.
Of these poor farmers
Yeah, wala.
who followed the law, who really naghirap talaga, na talagang they're trying their best talaga na makaahon sa kahirapan, talagang nagbungkal, talagang nag-cooperative sila, talagang they're doing everything to make their lives better. Tapos ganun lang pinagsisira nitong sila Katunying, itong instigators ng CPP, NPA, NDF, mga salot talaga. I mean, can you imagine, kasi galing kami sa, pamilya ko galing sa kahirapan. And I would hear stories about my lolos and lolas talagang hirap na hirap, ganyan. So, I know what that's like I mean, nakakaiyak pag inisip mo na naghirap sila. Tapos, this is not like a business in a mall where you'll have cash right away. No, you'll wait until aalagaan mo yung sugar cane. Tapos, biglang gaganunin lang nila.
Agree.
Diba?
At malinaw,
Salot.
Ma'am Lorraine, no? Brother Franco, Sir Prosecutor Chris, ay nakaligtaan din ng CHR at ng mga mainstream media or corporate media na ito. Ang pagtingin na ang nagtawag ng pulis ay ang mga mamamayan.
Yeah.
The police that did not go there by themselves. There was a complaint or there were complainants na tumawag ng pulis. So basic pa lang yun sa pagpapatupad ng ating mga batas, observation sa CHR, you should be exercising due diligence, prudence, and propriety. Ang mga yan ay nanggagaling sa isang termino na dapat ang nagtutuhog ng prudence, propriety, at due diligence. Ma'am Lorraine, Brother Franco, excuse me, Prosecutor Chris, the connecting term for that is common sense. Dapat sana nag-exercise man lang ng common sense ng CHR na paano napunta ang pulis doon at sino ang mga nagreklamo at ano ang circumstansya ng pagre-reklamo.
And actually, Eric, the statements of CHR really sound like CPP, NPA, NDF. I'm sorry, that's the truth.
Oh.
Even the statements of Lenny Robredo, the statements of Kiko Pangilinan,
Tuhog na
they're just
tuhog.
really tuhog na tuhog talaga ang propaganda ng komunistang teroristang